Hi friends, welcome back to the book circle. Are you ready for another interesting book today? I Like to Read by Letta Machoga, published by Pratham books. So kids, how many of you like to read? And do you find someone to read to? So this story is about a little boy who loves to read and he spends his time trying to find someone to read to. Join us to find out what happens at the end.
I like to read. Who can I read to? My sister is asleep. Who can I read to? My mother and grandmother are busy. My father and grandfather are busy. Who can I read to? Who can I read to? I can read to myself.
So kids, what did we learn today? Reading to yourself is a lot of fun as well. Thank you for listening. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell for more videos coming your way.